Our mango trees have exploded in flowers. It's like fireworks. This year, I think we're going to get a bumper crop, and it's about the right time now to feed them. I'll get to that in a minute. Last year, we had an extremely dry, hot season, and we just didn't get any fruit on our mango trees. It wasn't just ours, it was the whole northern region here in Thailand. So this year, we're hoping for a better yield. As the trees are now flowering, it's time to give them a bit of good, natural, organic food in the form of wood ash. I made a video about the wood ash use recently. We get good amount of wood ash from our pizza oven. It's all clean. We don't burn anything that's been treated or painted, so the ash is really, really good food for the mango trees as they're beginning to form fruit. The wood ash contains calcium carbonate and potassium carbonate, and these, when fed to the mango trees, will not only help improve yield and the quality of the fruit, but they'll also help the plant's roots. At this stage, mango trees don't need much nitrogen, so our calcium and potassium rich wood ash is wonderful for them. And in a week or so, I'll also feed them some guano, some bat manure that I have got soaking in water. It's only been there a week. It needs 2 weeks to soak, and then it's going to be diluted down even further and fed around fairly carefully, not too liberally, around the base of our mango trees out to the drip line, and this will also help to enhance fruiting. I've also started giving our mango trees a good deep watering once a week. I've got a routine on Sunday where I'll sit outside in the afternoon and read a book, set the timer on my phone for 10 minutes and leave the hose running gently on one side of the tree and then move it for another 10 minutes on the other side. And this way all our trees are getting a good deep watering once a week. And if you've never been to Thailand and experienced what it's like to taste fresh mangoes, the hot season's the best time for it. Maybe not the greatest time to come for a visit, but if you like mangoes, and if you like mango and sticky rice, there's nothing quite like it. And if you'd like to learn more about how we use wood ash in our garden here at Suansuk Homestay, please check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.